in the Talmud, in many sources of Judaism, they are speaking about the concept of bread of shame. What it means, to receive something for free, there is shame in it. If someone will give me something for free again and again and again, I won't feel good because I'm receiving it for free. When I'm feeling good, when I'm earning it. When I'm feeling good, when I'm doing something for someone else, then I'm feeling good. Not when someone is doing for me again and again and again and again. Then I'm depending on him. I'm feeling miserable if I'm not independent and I'm depending on someone. Which means the real good feeling is when I am the provider for someone else. I'm providing good feeling. I'm providing sustenance. I'm giving. When I'm giving, I'm feeling good. This is the concept. Why? Because when I'm giving, I'm like the creator. I'm similar to the creator. The creator is giving. I want to give also. So if I'm with mercy, the 13 attributes of God, if I'm with mercy, if I'm patient, if I know how to give to others, I'm more similar to the Creator. I will receive the light of the Creator. I will earn the light of the Creator.